Welcome back guys. As we all know that pollution nowadays is rising, and with the Diwali and people will burst the firecrackers and the pollution level will skyrocket and you won't be able to breathe even in your own house. But you don't have to worry about it because today I have brought a product which will help you to eliminate pollution at a very cost effective price. Yes guys, the product I am talking about is MI Air Purifier 2C. So without wasting any time, let's get started. By the way, this is Vikram and you're watching Techno Thumber. So MI Air Purifier 2C is the very basic air purifier which will serve your purpose. First of all, let's talk about design. It has a very clean design which looks very good, and it will look very good when you place it anywhere in your home. This is because it has been designed by keeping the thought that it will be placed inside your home and it will match all your surroundings of the house. Additionally, it has very good texture which is the inlet of this air purifier from which it sucks the air. So this is the very good design, like this is mesh which looks very good. Additionally, this air purifier has a light indicator, LED indicator over here, which has three colors, that is green, red and orange. Green represents that the PM 2.5 level, that pollution level is very low, that is it is less than 70. Orange represents that that room has a moderate level of pollution, and if it goes to a red light, you know what it means, that the pollution level is very severe. Let's talk about its features. Each purifier has one thing, that is its heart, and heart is, you guessed it right, the filter of an air purifier. It has a true HEPA filter, which is a two-layered filter, which Xiaomi says that it eliminates 99.97% of the pollution in the house. Sadly, they do not provide the carbon filter with this HEPA filter. Like in the MI Air Purifier 3, they provide us the triple layer filter which has a carbon filter which also purifies the odor in the room. But the great news is that you can buy that filter and put it inside this purifier and it will work seamlessly. So it is just a cost cutting thing, and it won't impact you because it is just used to handle the odor of the room. Next, it has a 360-degree airflow system. You can see that it has the vents over here which from which the air flows to all the directions in the room. So it has a very high CADR rating. It means that first of all, let's understand what is CADR. So it means that how well the air purifier will clean the room in a certain amount of time, and the size of the room as well. So it represents how big size of the room will the air purifier will purify in a certain amount of time. It has a better CADR rating than MI Air Purifier 2S, which cost much more than this. Also, there's a button on the top of the air purifier which tells us auto. So it has a auto button and 1, 2, 3 levels. I personally like to keep it at the level 1 during night when it's a bedtime, because it keeps the fan noise to minimal. Let me summarize all the good features of this air purifier filter. First of all, it has a dust filter like true HEPA filter that helps to eliminate the dust and pollution from the house. Secondly, it has the 360-degree air intake, and it flows from the top of the air purifier, and it can go to a very high speed because it has a 350 CADR rating, means it is very effective and it can efficiently clean your room in under 10 minutes. Thirdly, it has an indicator which tells us about the real life air level quality. It is not good as MI Air Purifier 2S. Third, you can also change the filter of this air purifier, which is also present in MI Air Purifier 3, and it will help you to control the odor, and it costs around 2500 rupees. So it was all the good things about this. Now the bad thing about this air purifier is that it is not a smart air purifier. You cannot connect it to your Wi-Fi. You cannot use it with any smart app. Also, there is no real-time display because I have been using MI Air Purifier 2S, and it has a real-life display and it tells us the amount of PM 2.5 level in the room real-time. You can also command them with the voice assistants such as Amazon, Google Home, Amazon Alexa. So this was about MI Air Purifier 2C. So I think that it's a very good deal because we get it for 6,000 rupees, and for 6,000 rupees this product will help you to keep you and your family safe. So I highly recommend this product if you're going to buy an air purifier, because it is very good looking. It can go anywhere in the room. It has a very good suction properties. It has a very high filtration rate as well. So this was about MI Air Purifier 2C. I am going to review MI Air Purifier 2S. So this was it, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, because really these things really keep me motivated, and I am going to review the side-by-side comparison of MI Air Purifier 2S and this 2C. So keep check on that video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.